Hi, my name is Gerlani Ramirez Medina. Step 2. Cause and effect. Unfavorable cost-to-benefit balance. Decrease monetary benefits. Low profitability. Excess paperwork. Understand the regulations. Ignorance of intellectual property rules. Low incomes of the public administration. Recommendation. Know the assets from the beginning by identifying all the stages of the process from the beginning. Identify the corresponding paperwork and take precedence over variables. Know all the regulations and identify competitors. And thank you.